we had a festival in the month of September, Festember 2021, Arts Fest in our Georgian school. Congratulations and thanks to our dear loving students, parents and teachers, especially the coordinators, Reena ma'am and Anita ma'am, for adding special colors to this event and for broadening the scope. Special congratulations to all the winners in each event.
ഏറ്റവും സ്നേഹം നിറഞ്ഞ കുഞ്ഞുങ്ങളെ, ഫെസ്റ്റംബർ 2021 ആർട്സ് ഫെസ്റ്റിവൽ ഇവിടെ അവസാനിച്ചിരിക്കുകയാണ്. നിങ്ങളെല്ലാവരും ഒത്തിരിയേറെ മത്സരങ്ങളിൽ പങ്കെടുത്ത് ഒത്തിരിയേറെ സമ്മാനങ്ങൾ വാങ്ങിക്കൂട്ടിയിട്ടുണ്ട്. എല്ലാവർക്കും എല്ലാവിധ ആശംസകളും നേരുകയാണ്. നമുക്കറിയാം, സമ്മാനം കിട്ടിയവർ വളരെ ചുരുക്കമാണ്. സമ്മാനം കിട്ടാതെ മത്സരത്തിൽ നന്നായിട്ട് ഭംഗിപൂർവ്വം പങ്കെടുത്ത ഒത്തിരി കുട്ടികളുണ്ട്. എല്ലാവർക്കും എല്ലാ നന്മകളും നേരുകയാണ്. നിങ്ങൾ പരാജയപ്പെട്ടു പോയതല്ല, നിങ്ങൾ മനസ്സിലാക്കണം, പരാജയം വിജയത്തിൻ്റെ മുന്നോടിയാണ്. അതുകൊണ്ട് ഒരു പ്രശ്നവുമില്ല കേട്ടോ. അതോർത്ത് നിങ്ങൾ ഒരിക്കലും നിരാശപ്പെടേണ്ട. പ്രത്യാശയോടുകൂടി ഇനി മുന്നോട്ട് നല്ല മത്സരങ്ങളിൽ പങ്കെടുക്കുവാനായിട്ട് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് സാധിക്കട്ടെ എന്ന് അച്ഛൻ ആത്മാർത്ഥമായിട്ട് ആശംസിക്കുന്നു. അതോടൊപ്പം തന്നെ നിങ്ങളുടെ മാതാപിതാക്കളെ പ്രത്യേകം ഓർക്കുന്നു. അവരെല്ലാവരും ഈ ഒരു കലാമത്സരങ്ങൾക്ക് വേണ്ടി ഒത്തിരിയേറെ ത്യാഗം ഏറ്റെടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. അവരുടെ ത്യാഗം മുന്നോട്ടും ഉണ്ടാവും എന്ന് അച്ഛൻ വിശ്വസിക്കുന്നു. ഇതിനുവേണ്ടി പ്രവർത്തിച്ച നമ്മുടെ സ്കൂൾ പ്രിൻസിപ്പൽ അച്ഛനുണ്ട്. അതോടൊപ്പം പ്രവർത്തിച്ച എല്ലാ അധ്യാപകർക്കും എല്ലാവിധ ആശംസകളും നേരുന്നു. അതേപോലെ തന്നെ പങ്കെടുത്ത കുട്ടികളായ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇനിയും നല്ല നല്ല മത്സരങ്ങളിൽ പങ്കെടുക്കാനായിട്ട് സാധിക്കട്ടെ. മുന്നോട്ട് പോകുമ്പോൾ ഒത്തിരിയേറെ വിജയങ്ങൾ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ലഭിക്കട്ടെ എന്ന് ആത്മാർത്ഥമായിട്ട് പ്രാർത്ഥിക്കുന്നു. എല്ലാവിധ ആശംസകളും നേരുന്നു. ദൈവം നിങ്ങളെല്ലാവരെയും അനുഗ്രഹിക്കട്ടെ.
Hi all. Music is a part and parcel of our life, especially light music. It rejuvenates the mind. It reduces depression, pain and anxiety. It can give a sound sleep. So let me announce the results of light music.
Light music infants, boys. First prize goes to Aaron Sobi of 2C. Second prize goes to Ethan Alphonse Arun 2B. And third prize goes to two students, Ivan George 1A and Aaron Koshi 2B. Girls, first prize goes to Jesslyn Maria Soni of 1A. Second prize goes to Maria Bridget Sobin 2A. And third prize goes to Lina Rose George of 2Z. Category 1 Boys. First prize goes to Asil Joe Saji of 3B. Second prize goes to Adil Abraham 3C. And third prize goes to Rajat Krishna of 3C. And girls, first prize goes to Devananda M of 3C. Second prize goes to Angel John Varghese of 3C. And third prize goes to Joshida and Soni of 4C. Category 2 Boys. First prize goes to Johan Ando Soni of 7A. Second prize goes to Amalek George of 5A. And third prize goes to Sando Sabu of 7B. And from girls, first prize goes to Anugraha Deepa Sebastian of 5C. Second prize goes to Nandana G of 5C. And third prize goes to Joshmi Thomas of 5A. Category 3 Boys. Only one winner we have. First prize goes to Alan Sebastian of 8B. And from girls, first prize goes to Gia Teresa Soni of 8B. Second prize goes to Alfonsa Mariam Thomas of 8A. And third prize goes to Anu Mary George of 8B. Congratulations all the winners. Thank you.
Good evening to all. A long-awaited day. The result of Festember 2021 was in the air for some time. Before we announce it, I would like to congratulate and appreciate the great effort of all the participants of various competitions. I am here to announce the results of elocution. As you all know, elocution is the study of formal speaking in pronunciation, grammar, style and tone, as well as the idea and practice of effective speech and its forms. Now let me present before you the winners of English elocution. Infants.
Elocution English, Infants, Voice. First prize, Edwin Anthony of 2B. Second prize, Aaron Matthew Rijo of 2C. And third prize, Christy Thomas P. Vijo of 2A. And girls, first prize, Eva Rose Bijoy of 2A. Second prize, Maria Bridget Sobin of 2A. And third prize goes to Meenakshi B of 2C. Category 1, Boys. First prize, Madhav R. Pillai of 4A. Second prize, Noel Sinu of 3C. And third prize, Nathan Sijo Madakil of 3A. And for girls, first prize goes to Leah George Palakalatil of 3A. Second prize, Evelyn Teresa Shibu of 3A. And third prize, Anjana Sunil of 3A. Category 2, Boys. First prize, Emmanuel Sibichan of 6A. And second prize goes to Alex Matthew Manoj of 5C. And for girls, first prize goes to Naurin Jemi KM of 6A. Second prize, Kartiga R. Pillai of 6C. And third prize goes to Joanne Maria Jolie of 5A. Category 3, Boys. First prize, Jacob D. Naduviledam, 8A. And second prize, Jeevan George, 9B. And for girls, Pavitra Rose Vinob, first prize of 9A. Second prize, Tessa Matthew Purakil of 9B. And third prize, Amida Mariam Verghese of 9A. Elocution Malayalam, Infants, Boys. First prize, Jacob Cherian of 2C. Second prize, Edwin Anthony of 2B. And third prize, Levin Anthony Verghese of 1A. And for girls, first prize, Sayandana Pradeep of 2A. Second prize, MK Sridevi of 2C. And third prize, Minu Maria Sejin of 2A and Siona Bijoy of 2A. Category 1, Boys. First prize, Madhav R. Pillai of 4A. And second prize, Emic Martin of 3B. And for girls, first prize, Hannah M. Verghese of 3B. Second prize, Vaishnavi T.A. of 4A. And third prize, Anne Clarice Joseph of 4A. Category 2, Boys. First prize, Emmanuel Sibichan, 6A. Second prize, Amlek George of 5A. And third prize goes to Daniel M. Verghese of 7B. And for girls, first prize Emilia Elsa Tom of 6B. Second prize Karthika Arpillai of 6C. And third prize is shared between two, Alfie Teresa Gigi of 5A and Alona Matthew Purakil of 7A. Category 3 Boys. First prize Alan Gigi Abraham of 8A. And second prize Jacob D. Naduvileram of 8A. Girls, first prize Gloria Jacob of 8A. Second prize Amida Mariam Verghese of 9A. And third prize Alfie Mary Thomas of 8B. Elocution Hindi. We have only category 2 and category 3. So category 2 boys. First prize Adishay Thomas Verghese of 5A. Second prize Karthik S of 7A. And third prize goes to Jaydeep Jain Panikar of 7B. And for girls, first prize Tejal Prasant of 6B and Nandana G of 5C. Category 3 Hindi elocution, we have only one winner, that is from girls. It is Jasna Elizabeth Chako of 8A. Congratulations, dear students, and thank you.
Reading and storytelling is an art that promotes brain development, develops language and emotion, and strengthens relationship. It gives the opportunity to learn new ideas and information. So I'm here to announce the results of storytelling under category influence for Malayalam and English.
Storytelling English Boys. The first prize goes to Emil Jacob Tom, Class 2A. Second prize goes to Aaron Matthew Rijo, Class 2C. And third prize goes to Aidan James, Class 1B. Now, Storytelling English Girls. First prize goes to Erlen Bino, Class 1C. Second prize goes to Maria Bridget Sobin, Class 2A. And third prize goes to Saindana Pradeep, Class 2A, and Sia Sobichan, Class 2C. Next, Storytelling Malayalam Boys. First prize goes to Jacob Cherian, Class 2C. Second prize goes to Emil Jacob Tom, Class 2A. And third prize goes to Aaron Sobi, Class 2C, and Neeraj Pradesh, Class 1B. Storytelling Malayalam Girls. First prize goes to P. Gayatri, Class 1A. Second prize goes to Anika Vibin, Class 2C. And third prize goes to Minu Maria Sejin, Class 2A.
Hi dear children and parents. A folk dance is a dance developed by people that reflects the life of the people of certain country or region. Dear parents and my dear children, welcome to Fest number 21 folk dance results.
In Infants Boys, first prize Sanjo Matthew from Class 2C. Second prize Aaron Matthew from Class 2C. And third prize Melvin Binoy, Class 2A. Next, Infant Girls. First prize Jesslyn Maria Soni from Class 1A. Second prize Alvia Elsa Sam from Class 2C. And third prize Jisa Maria Joseph from Class 2B. In category 1 Boys, first prize Christine Sanish from Class 3C. In category 1 Girls, first prize Gia and Jins 3A. Second prize shared 2 students.
Joshida and Soni 4C and Niranjana K. Aji from class 3C. Third prize, Alvia Joseph 4B. And next is in category 2 girls results. First prize, Avani Sunil from 6C. Second prize shared 2 students, Sravanamol TS from 7B and MK Srilashmi from 6B. Third prize, Kartika R. Pillai from 6C. In category 3, girls, first prize, P. Gada from 9B. Second prize, Chelsea Jose from 8A. Congratulations to all students.
Hi all, I'm pleased to appreciate and announce the results of recitation competition. Recitation has its own rhythm, music, sounds and beats which are very much helpful for child's language development, cognitive development and emotional development. Recitation activities help students to build confidence as they learn to speak more accurately and persuasively about any piece of writing. I'm really proud to see that the students have achieved such pleasing grades. Congratulations to all the winners.
Malayalam Recitation Category 1 for boys. First prize goes to Madhav R. Pillai of 4A. Second prize goes to Aidan Thomas of 4A. Third prize goes to Amit S. of 3C. For girls, first prize goes to Devananda M. of 3C. Second prize goes to Anne Mary George of 4B. Third prize is shared by 2 students, Bhadra S. Pillai of 3B and Vaishnavi TA of 4A. Malayalam Recitation for boys. First prize goes to Sando Sabu of 7B. Second prize goes to Joshua M. Joslet of 6B. Third prize goes to Gurudat Sujit of 5A. For girls, first prize goes to Ajindya Lakshmi of 6A. Second prize goes to Alfred Prisa Gigi of 5A. Third prize goes to Anugraha Deva Sebastian of 5C. Malayalam Recitation. First prize goes to Carol Robin of 8B. Second prize goes to Anu Mary George of 8B. Third prize goes to Amy Joseph of 8A. English Recitation for boys. First prize goes to Kelvin Thomas of 4B. Second prize goes to Abhimanyu Radish of 4B. Third prize goes to Abel Innes of 4B. For girls, first prize goes to Anjana Sunil of 3B. Second prize goes to Anita Maria Jose of 4B. English Recitation Category 2. For boys, first prize goes to Johan Andosoni of 7A. Second prize goes to Regin Joseph Kurian of 5A. Third prize goes to Sando Sabu of 7B. For girls, first prize goes to Anugraha Deva Sebastian of 5C. Second prize goes to Emilia Elsa Tom of 6B. Third prize goes to Elizabeth B.S. of 6B. English Recitation Category 3 for girls. First prize goes to Gabriela Anna Kutikal of 9A. Second prize goes to Gia Teresa Soni of 8B. Third prize is shared by 2 students, Aparna Sunil of 9B and Alina George of 9A. Hindi Recitation for boys. First prize goes to Jaydeep Jain of 7B. Second prize is shared by 2 students, Regin Joseph of 5A and Parthiv P. Nair of 5A. Third prize goes to Alan Binoy of 5B. For girls, first prize goes to Naurin Jemi KM of 6A. Second prize goes to Ashlyn and Matthews of 5A. Third prize goes to Elizabeth V.S. of 6B. Recitation Hindi, first prize goes to Alina George of 9A.
Monoact. A small skit where one person acts as a single character or many characters. It is quite difficult to switch on and off between these characters and maintain the pace of act. Here we have talented treasures of Georgian family who gave a marvelous performance in Monoact. Here I am to announce the category-wise result of Monoact.
Monoact. Category 1, first prize goes to Naidan Sichov Madakil of Class 3A. Category 2, first prize goes to Amalek George of Class 5A. Category 3, first prize goes to Alan Gigi Abraham of Class 8A. Second prize goes to Chesna Elizabeth Chaco of Class 8A.
Instrumental music. Playing instruments without any vocals, and it always soothes our mind. We have a bunch of students who are highly gifted with the ability to play these instruments. Here we have the winners of instrumental music under all categories.
Instrumental music. Category 2, boys. First prize goes to Joan Andersoni of Class 7A. Second prize goes to Abhiyat Abraham of Class 7A. Third prize goes to Albin Binoy of Class 5C. Category 2, girls. First prize goes to Joshmi Thomas, Class 5A. Instrumental music. Category 3. First prize goes to Varghese Thomas, Class 9B. Second prize goes to Georgie K. Joseph, Class 8A. Third prize goes to Gia Teresa Soni, Class 8B.